How to fix Walgreens app login problem. So, if Walgreens app won't let you sign in, try these fixes. First of all, double check that you are entering the correct email and password. If you forgot your login detail, you can go ahead and tap on forgot password or forgot username on the Walgreens sign in screen and then follow the on-screen instruction to recover your account. If the details are correct but the app still won't log in, completely close the Walgreens application and then reopen it again. After that, open up your App Store. In the search bar, search for Walgreens and then look for updates. If any update is available, tap onto it and let your application update to its latest version. Once that's done, you can restart your mobile device and then try signing in again. If the app still does not work, you can try signing in through a browser instead. If you can't still access your account, you can contact Walgreens customer service for account assistance. That's it guys, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking